And now we're ready. And so before we proceed with the hearings, Mr. DeFrank, what's your question?
So I'm the single member district commissioner where Across the Pond is located,
Mhm.
and I signed the settlement agreement and then passed it to the business owner to countersign. Um, but then someone told me that actually the chair of 2B or the vice chair has to sign it instead of me. And
Hello?
so therefore the
Just one moment. What are you saying, Mr. DeFrank?
well, I'm asking whether it's true that the chair or vice chair needs to sign, and therefore I messed up, and we should just
Well, well, as far as we're concerned, you didn't mess up. That's something you can resolve inside of your ANC.
okay.
I received an email this morning that the parties had entered into a settlement agreement. And which, let me just confirm which establishment you're talking about, because there actually, I think there's more than one in your ANC. Which one are you referring to, Mr. DeFrank?
Across the pond.
You're referring to across the pond.
Um,
Yeah, just
like,
just a second, because we have a couple of settlements this morning. I want to make sure I'm referring to the right one before I say anything more. Mr. DeFrank, your case across the pond is actually still on the calendar for today. So I haven't heard anything from your ANC about a settlement agreement today. So you needed to be here today. In terms of who's going to sign the settlement agreement, you all can work that out amongst yourselves. But for the purpose of the roll call hearing today, because you're here, ANC 2B will be granted standing when I call your case. Your case is not, your case is the second case on the calendar, but I just wanted to answer your question first. Just hang in there for a few more minutes and I'll call this case.
okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. There are three cases on the calendar today. The first case on the calendar is Andy's Pizza, case number 25PRO00086, Andy's Pizza, Wisconsin Avenue, LLC, 1025 Wisconsin Avenue Northwest, license number ABRA 133330. This is a retailer class CR license. It's a restaurant for a new application, including carry-out, delivery, and holiday extension of hours. The protest issues are adverse impact on peace, order, and quiet. Is anyone here on behalf of Andy's Pizza?
Hello, Laverne.
Oh, thank you, everyone. I see you. Thank you. And did Mr. Kaufman join you today?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay, thank you. I've got you. Thank you. Is anyone here present on behalf of ANC2E? Mr. Mixon, so
Yes.
I know that a stipulated license was issued in this case. Do you know by any chance when that expires?
I believe it was as of the latest version of the stipulated license, it was set for a October 24th expiration. I was out of town last week, so I'm not fully up to date on the status of the agreement. But my understanding is the parties were currently executing and were intending to continue the roll call hearing, such that the submission of the executed agreement could happen before the roll call.
Well, what I'm going to do, because that didn't happen prior to the roll call and the ANC didn't notify us that they would not be here today, I will need to, I'm going to cancel the protest filed by ANC2E. You may proceed with the settlement agreement, but they're not here today. And as I said, we have not heard. you can proceed to work through that through the licensing division, but in terms of the actual protest, it is dismissed.
Okay.
And any questions, Mr. Mixon, about that?
No, not at this time.
Well, thank you very much for coming, and we'll be in touch, and just let us know what's happening, and we'll update the records accordingly.
Actually, one question, that stipulated license, because it's dated for a date after today, will that remain in effect until that day, or does this roll call happening today mean that it's canceled?
Well, my understanding is that that will continue, that the effectiveness of the stipulated license will continue. That's my understanding, Mr. Mixon, but I will clarify that. My understanding is that the case will stay on that path. But I will confirm that.
Okay.
You will just continue along the stipulated license path and do whatever comes next through the licensing division. But I'll confirm that, and I'll get back to you after roll call.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Letcher. Have a nice
Okay,
day.
thank you very much. I'll talk to you shortly. The roll call hearing in this matter is concluded. The next case on the calendar is, excuse me. The next case on the calendar is Across the Pond Restaurant, case number 25PRO00083, 1734 Connecticut Avenue Northwest, license number ABRA 106099. This is a retailer class CR restaurant for a substantial class change from retailer class CR restaurant to class CT tavern. Is anyone present on behalf of Across the Pond?
Yes, Michael Waters.
Thank you, Mr. Waters. Is anyone present on behalf of ANC 2B? Mr.
Yes,
DeFranco,
Andrew DeFrank.
you're still there. Thank you very much. ANC 2B does have standing as a protestant. We need to set a date for a status hearing, a protest hearing, and a mediation. I'm going to give you the dates for the status and protest hearing first. The status hearing is scheduled for November 5, 2025 at 10:30 a.m. The protest hearing is set for December 10, 2025 at 1:30 p.m. We need to set a date for mediation, and I'm going to give you the next available day. The next available day for mediation is Tuesday, October 28, anytime between 10:30 and 1:30. Is that a good day for you, Mr. Waters? October 28th?
Yes, I don't think that it's gonna be needed because we just had it mixed up in the civil agreement.
Well, you know what I'll do? I'll put it on the book, and then we'll just cancel it if it's not necessary.
Okay,
And
sounds
then you
good.
can let us know if the matter is resolved, and we'll just cancel the mediation.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
You're very welcome. So do you have a preference for time?
Let's do, what's the earliest time?
The earliest time is 10:30 a.m.
That works for me, if it works for Andrew.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so I have mediation set for October 28 at 10:30 a.m. You're going to get WebEx invitations from me, but if this matter is resolved before then and you let me know, you're going to get a cancellation for the mediation.
And
Sounds
same
good.
for the other two meetings as well?
Yes,
Yeah, okay, thank you.
you're very, so let me just clarify that. In terms of the other meetings, Mr. DeFrank, they will be canceled if the board approves the settlement agreement that you submit.
Right, okay,
Yeah, so yes.
sounds
Anything
good.
else? You're welcome.
No, we should,
I think we're
goal
good.
is to
Thank
have
you
a
very much.
signed, yeah, thank you, Michael. Goal is to have a signed settlement agreement by the end of the day, so.
Okay, And I've made a
Thanks.
note that that's expected, that
Appreciate
the
it.
settlement is expected. Well, thank you for coming. We'll receive the settlement agreement whenever you send it and act accordingly. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You're very welcome. You do the same.
You as well.
The roll call hearing in this matter is concluded. The next case on the calendar is Sound Bar.
Good afternoon. Good morning. This is Commissioner Hanrahan with.
Oh, Commissioner Abraham, hi.
Hello, Ms. Fletcher. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thank you. So, Commissioner Hanrahan, you're here for Soundbar, right?
That is correct. I'm representing ANC 1B in this matter for a protest on the grounds of peace, order, and quiet.
Okay, well then I'll just read this case into the record and we'll take it from there. This is the matter of Soundbar, case number 25PRO00095, Noah Noal, DC, 1909 9th Street Northwest, license number ABRA 122864. This is a retailer class CT Tavern application for a substantial change for the change of hours of operation. The protest issues are adverse impact on peace, order, and quiet. Is anyone here on behalf of Soundbar? Is anyone here on behalf of Soundbar? Anyone here on behalf of ANC 1B?
Yes, that's correct, Ms. Fletcher. Commissioner Hanrahan present here.
Thank you, Commissioner. Is anyone here on behalf of Soundbar? Commissioner Hanrahan, any communication with the applicant prior to today?
We've reached out to them via email and was listed on their placard to request their attendance at our duly scheduled ABCA committee meeting. We did not hear back from them.
Thank you very much. The application is dismissed because the applicant is not present. The time is approximately 10:20 a.m. Commissioner Hanrahan, a board order will be issued dismissing the application because the applicant is not here today.
Mhm.
And you will receive a copy of that. If the applicant seeks reinstatement of the protest, of the application, you'll have an opportunity to respond. And so we'll get the order issued and go from there and see what happens next.
Thank you, Ms. Fletcher. And just to know, so they will have how many days to respond or to refile the application?
Upon receipt of the board order, they will have 10 days to seek reinstatement.
Okay. All right.
And then you'll have, I believe, 7 days to respond to their request for reinstatement.
Okay. All right. Great. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, well, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. There are no other cases on the calendar of today. The roll call hearings for today are concluded.